Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change photo upload quality to high quality on Emo. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo app in your device. Then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on storage and data. Then you can see the option of photo upload quality. Tap on it. Then tap on high quality. So this is how you can change photo upload quality to high quality on Emo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.